Fight me. You could win. Go to the other one. Go to the other one. Fight.
Yeah, you can't kill me, so I'm already dead. Oh, you're probably dead, honestly. Evade.
This game sucks.
The only good one is match the card.
I don't know which one's which.
It was in
Cheater.
the middle. Oh no, it wasn't. Wow.
Wow, imagine being
That was
a
the first time I messed that one up.
This is the first time I've ever made a mistake in my life, guys. I don't know if you know this.
I think Ashton made that mistake like 15 years ago.
Ashton made the mistake of fighting the seagull because he just died.
That was 5.
I like how you just kind of deflate when you die.
Yeah,
You're literally just a balloon.
You just get kind of thin.
I have legs and a beak and a menacing glare.
Yeah, I
So
feel like I'm
menacing
gonna
that I had to
die.
use sunglasses to hide
Nick,
it
first of
because
all,
people
those
were
aren't
just so
sunglasses, you're just
scared
blind.
of me.
I just feel like I'm gonna die when I look at Nick.
Yeah, because you are.
He's so menacing. What am I supposed to do?
Can you do a Jonathan Rush? I don't think so.
No, I can't.
Because you're not lit. You're not litty.
I'm sorry.
Oh, this seagull thinks he's the real seagull. I'll show him who's boss.
Jesus.
I am the only. Oh
Nick,
no.
you're a hacker.
Oh no.
Did
Which
you get
card
rid of
do
your
I
hypers?
discard? I can't see any of them.
Left.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Dead.
You know, I knew this was a possibility. I
Excuse
just
me?
didn't care.
What?
Alright.
What?
Oh, so
winning
I was
a
telling
seagull.
stories about on the other server. I was like, oh yeah, so you guys know.
Oh my god.
And then they were like, yeah. I was just like, yeah. So he just like wore thigh highs to school.
Are you serious? You spread
Yeah.
a good
And it
word.
Yeah, and they were fucking dying. They were like, a gay nigga has thigh high.
No, styling.
Jimmy,
Style.
right now.
So close.
You were doing
Sham is
something.
running away hardcore with all of my stars, and you know what? I don't like that.
Well,
Come
I don't
on.
think many people like that. I got an achievement called "Some people have all the."
Hello.
Jibby, what are you doing?
He's killing you.
I swear to God, I was gonna stop Sham. What have you
Well,
done?
now I just got. Look at me. Why would I stop Sham when I'm about to become God? The new world. Do you guys still have the stock effect on?
Hit
Oh, you
yes!
died.
Hit yes!
No, Ashton has the stock effect
Oh
on.
my.
I'm not hitting yes. You're gonna catch me dead in my tracks before I get killed by Ashton.
No. I don't think you understand.
You see that? You see what Ashton just rolled?
Christ.
Instant
Jesus
death.
See what he
Christ,
did?
I'm going for. I'm helping you. I'm
Instant death.
helping you.
Instant
I'm
death.
helping you.
Instant death.
Yes. You guys want to see a chicken win the game?
Instant
I gotta do.
Instant death.
I want to see how it.
Sham is winning the game because of you, Spence. I could have stopped Sham.
I don't care about winning the game. I care about killing the seagull with glasses. Do you know how much this seagull haunts me?
Go.
Yeah.
This is scary, man.
Watch,
That
he
moment
has
you have 4
instantly kill a
wins.
player on the tile with you. That moment when you don't have 9 wins.
That moment when you're about to be the only person. Oh, get her. Wait, are you moving?
What?
Wait.
What did she do? Did she do
She just
Delta Field?
skipped the battle and almost killed me.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Go, land on her. Land on her skirt, Nick.
No,
Kill
she's
her.
almost at full health. I could have stopped her. But you stupid
weaken her.
spreads.
Weaken her and I'll kill her for you. And then I'll win the game. Okay? Why me?
What did I do?
What have I done?
You've done everything.
You just let Sham win the game.
Yeah, you idiot.
Gosh, idiot. Oh, Nick, look what you've done.
Oh yeah, is Little War still active?
Let me check. No, it is.
Yeah, it is.
It isn't. You
It is.
dumbass. It literally says
Oh, really?
it isn't.
We'll find out.
It is.
Oh wait, yes it is. Yes it is.
Oh
One
my
more-
god.
One more turn. One more turn. Oh,
So,
since this
click-
is where everybody gets 2 turns?
Yeah,
You get 3.
there you go.
Oh no. Hey, 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 Jeremy.
This boss is gonna have so many stars.
Hey, buddy. How you doing there? Hey, buddy. Don't kill me.
Oh my god, the boss is actually okay. Thank God. Thank God. Now roll a 6 on attack, please, and show him how it's done.
Ah!
So close.
Fuck.
You absolute fool.
Oh yeah.
Do you know what
let's
you have just
spin
done to
the
yourself?
wheel.
Get the bomb, get the bomb, get the bomb, get the bomb, get the bomb.
Bomb.
You fool!
I got the bomb. What?
Evade, defend, evade.
Darn.
Quite literally.
Watch and see how it's done, weak boy.
Can't win.
He's about to roll a 1. Oh.
Watch
It's
and
dead.
see how it's done. Oh, you're stopping Sham, are you? I appreciate.
I'm letting
You
her
can
win.
win now.
Sportsmanship.
Chippy.
Jibby, how have you failed us?
Then.
Yes! Yes! I've won!
Chippy, killer, killer.
Oh, now you're taking Jibby's side. You absolute
Ashton.
moron.
I'm
worry,
not taking
I got
his side. Oh,
You could kill her.
nah, I'm gonna kill you.
Go,
Oh,
go,
now you care about stopping Sham, you idiot.
go. I'm on fire. Oh, oh. Ashton,
Nice.
you sure did save my hide. But it seems your reign of terror has come to an end. Nani? Hey, at least you rolled a 5.
I have so many stars.
Boss, he's at 1
Kill
health.
the boss. It's worth so many stars.
400!
It's a shame Ashton just won the game.
No, Nick
No.
won. Nick won.
Why
no.
didn't Sham fight you? You're
so
actually
dumb.
hacking.
My star count intimidated her.
Ashton, if you don't roll a 2, I'm gonna murder you.
I'm about to roll a 2. I'm about to roll a 2. Just watch. Oh my god. I'm gonna roll a 1. I'm gonna roll a 1.
Oh no.
I'm gonna roll a
You
1.
think I'm gonna die? You imbecile.
I don't think you're gonna. I know you're gonna die, Nick. You're about to
Does somebody have a card that can kill him?
roll a 1.
Mark does.
Yes!
What? Sham, come on! Shit. You were the only one with the
Ashton, go.
capability.
You absolute fools.
Ashton, if you don't roll,
You
Nick Duck can't win the
absolute
game.
Fools.
You can't win if I don't roll.
You have lost to but a bird.
No.
You are
You
a
can't win
human
if I don't
being
roll.
with intelligence and +1
You can't
on
win
all
if I don't roll.
stats.
You
And
can't win if I
have
don't roll.
lost
You can't win
to
if
a
I don't roll.
bird.
You can't win if I don't roll.
Why are you so salty, huh? Are you so butthurt that I'm winning? Is this salt I'm hearing? I'm
Can't win if I don't roll.
Butthurt, salt.
Can't win if I don't roll.
Jimmy, you
Nah,
can
it's gonna roll a
confirm
1,
that is
watch.
something a salty man would say.
He's gonna roll a 1 next turn. Just watch.
No,
If you think
Nick's
I don't
gonna roll
have.
exactly
I already rolled
6.
all my 1s for the game.
Nick
I
rolled
physically
exactly a
cannot
4.
roll a 1.
Dang.
I told you he was gonna roll a 4.
Alright, GG, bro. GG.